this lesson, we'll navigate to the APM FEM toolbar set and apply restraints to the bracket assembly. Open the bracket assembly. It's a simple assembly consisting of two components, a bracket and a plate. The bracket is welded to the plate, and the plate is bolted to a wall that is not included in the model. Go to the APM FEM toolbar set. First, you need to activate the Stress Analysis tab. The Stress Analysis tree is displayed on the left. This tree contains dedicated folders for all analysis data, including loads, material, and restraints that will be defined throughout the analysis. First, we'll apply restraints to simulate the plate being bolted to the wall. Select the cylindrical faces of the plate holes. The Parameters panel displays the available settings. You can constrain specific degrees of freedom and define initial displacements along the coordinate axes, which are set to 0 by default. If the loading in your model results from prescribed displacements, you can specify non-zero values here. You can also change the display scale of the arrows representing the restraint. Confirm the restraint by clicking the green checkmark or pressing the mouse wheel, as is standard in Compa 3D. The restraint now appears in the Stress Analysis tree under the Loads and Restraints section. Selecting it in the tree highlights the corresponding geometry in the graphics area. You can hide the restraint using the Hide Show command in the context menu. The context menu also provides options to edit the restraint or temporarily exclude it from the calculation. Leave the restraint settings unchanged and proceed. Then, let's assume the plate is attached to the wall such that it cannot displace in the direction normal to the wall surface. The plate is in contact with the wall surface. However, the plate is free to deform tangentially along the wall surface. Start the Restraint by Normal command and select the plate face in contact with the wall. The Faces field displays the number of currently selected faces. Note that this command only accepts face selections. Use the Clean button to deselect all the faces. I'll restore the previous selection. Confirm the command. The normal restraint now appears in the Stress Analysis tree as well. Don't forget to save your work.